Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I got a new toy. Let's take a look. This is my brand spanking new Iron Bull dump trailer. Dump trailer. Look at that. Shiny clean. No scratches. It's a 10-foot dump trailer. I don't know how wide it is. I don't have the exact dimensions, but you know. Dump trailer. It does have the fancy gate on the back. It can fold down like a tailgate. It can open like barn doors, or just the bottom can come open if you want to like spread gravel in that. So it's got all that fancy stuff on it. So pretty nice, pretty happy with it. I did get a spare tire with it, so yeah. But today we got a couple things to take care of, so that's what we're gonna do. Alright, first things first, this is something I picked up at my dealer. I've already had it open here once. And what it is a solar charger for the battery. This does have a battery on it to work the dump, so I'm thinking, getting this crap out of the way, thinking about putting it right about in the center right back there and just bolting it on. So I'm going to get it lined up and get some holes drilled and we'll bolt her on. Alright, got my first 2 holes drilled. I'll put this up here in position. Just putting them 2 bolts in there to hold that where I want it. Give them a punch. Make sure we're lined up. Just like that. Get rid of this. If I can see where I punched my holes. Tighten that down. Alright, got all our holes drilled. Let's put some bolts in. Clean this all off. There's a problem. Always trouble. Alright, washer. Washer and a lock washer. And a nut. Same on the other side. a hold of it. Down. All right, I'll get a wrench and we'll be right back. Alright, so for the wiring, I just ran it around the corner here. And this, gonna go down in there, and this plugs together right like that, but we'll wait on that a little bit. So I'm gonna geese up to the battery first. Find my wrench. What to do with my wrench? Get my wrench. Nope, of course not. Alright, let me get a wrench. I'll be back. Alright, got my wrench. Good enough. Alright, well, there it is anyways. I got her fastened down. I didn't put the bolts in the back because there's a piece of channel that goes back there, supports the back of this box, and I drilled through it, and the door won't open if you put the bolts in. So I'll get some goop and fill them holes. Here's my wire coming around here. There is another 110 outlet here, so you can plug it into 110 and charge the battery also. And it charges off your vehicle as you're going down the road. So there it is, job done. I got one more thing. All right, well, there it is. Spare tire cover. What can I say? America. Now this does have some stake pockets on it right here, but I do not have any boards cut right now. So when we get the sawmill fired back up, we'll be cutting some sideboards for these. I'll probably put some 2x10s or 2x12s on the side and bring these sides up a little higher. But yeah, there's a couple little projects for today. I think she's looking good, guys. Alright guys, I guess that's gonna do it. Till next time, we'll get the sawmill fired up here someday. We'll cut some boards for this. I can't wait to start using it, man. I got all sorts of things to haul and dump, I guess. So we'll be doing some logs and some firewood hopefully, and some rocks and gravel and junk. I don't know, whatever, man. We're gonna throw it in here and start using her up. So super excited to have it. So yeah, I can't wait to get to using it. So I guess that's gonna do it for this time, guys. I appreciate you, and we'll catch you on the next one.